ગુડ મોર્નિંગ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ. તક્ષશિલા ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ ઓફ કોમર્સમાં બીકોમ સેમેસ્ટર 2ના ઓનલાઈન લેક્ચર્સમાં આપ સૌનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. આપણો સબ્જેક્ટ છે બિઝનેસ કોમ્યુનિકેશન. બિઝનેસ કોમ્યુનિકેશનની અંદર એઝ પર ધી અધર સબ્જેક્ટ્સ you have to learn the 4 units from the semester number 1 to semester number 6. Business communication is a compulsory subject which you will have to learn in English language only. Let us discuss the syllabus of business communication. There are 4 units in business communication. The first unit is merits and demerits of type of communication that we have learned in semester number 1, that what is upward communication, what is downward communication, what is horizontal communication, diagonal communication, grapevine, consents, all these things that we have learned in semester number 1, but we are also going to discuss in semester number 2 also. Another chapter of unit number 1 is a barrier of communication. Barriers means certain number of obstacles that face while we are making the corporate communication. There are certain types of barrier, that is physical barrier, another is a technical barrier, language barrier, socio-psychological barrier, status barrier, cross-culture barriers. All these things that we have also learned in semester number 1 also. Now, what are the measures with which we can overcome the barriers is also one of the topic in unit number 1. So, unit number 1 is containing 2 chapters. The first one is merit demerits of type of communication and another is barrier of communication. Unit number 2 is containing the letters. Which kind of letter? It means the order letter and their replies. The first letter is placing an order. For example, if you are a bookseller and you would like to give an order to wholesaler of certain number of books, pen, pencil, etc. So you are giving an order to the wholesaler. After getting the order, the wholesaler gets the acknowledgement of your order, partial and full acceptance of your order, demanding time extension for order execution, substitute offers and cancellation of an order. So these are the order and its replies. Whenever you are giving an order, the person who satisfies your order can give you positive or negative reply. Certain number of time they accept your order. It may happen that they reject your order for extension of time, and sometime it may happen that the goods that you have asked in your order is not available to the wholesaler. The reason why he is required to get the time extension. It may happen that the person who is wholesaler do not have the same goods that you have ordered. At that time they ask for substitution of goods, and sometime it may happen that the wholesaler, the manufacturer, is not able to satisfy your order. The reason why they can cancel your order. Unit number 3 contain 3 chapters: complaint and its adjustment, complaint regarding the goods that you have received from the wholesaler or manufacturer. When you are making an order, the manufacturer and the wholesaler satisfies your order. In the same order transaction, you can have certain number of problems. For that you are making complaint to the wholesaler. It may also happen that the wholesaler and the manufacturer make complaint to the customer of goods. So the complaints letter is in unit number 3. Its solution is in unit number 3, that is called adjustment of letter. And the collection of letters. Certain number of time you have take an order. After taking an order, you send the goods to the customer, and customer is making delay of payment of the goods that you have delivered to the customer. In that case, you will have to write the collection letters. First of all, you are writing sending accounting statement letter. Certain number of time you are giving reminder. Why you are required to give the reminder? Because you have written the letter to the customer of goods that please make a payment in a time, but this customer is not making payment. The reason why you are writing a reminder letter. Inquiry and discussion, appeal and urgency letters, demand and warning for legal action. The last stage, you are giving notice or warning for legal action. So this is contained of unit number 3. Now the unit number 4 that you have learned in standard 12th, the application writing. There are certain number of type of application: resume, curriculum vitae. So from the first unit to 4 unit, you will have 3 units of writing letters and application, and first unit is regarding the basics of communication. So with the help of this 4 unit, you can have the question paper of 70 marks, but due to the COVID situation, it may happen that your question paper contain of 42 marks. In the next session, we will discuss unit number 1, that is the types and merits and demerits of communication, and the barriers of communication, and with which we can overcome the barrier of communication.